students to send you a photo or a screenshot of something that you intend to treat like an assignment and take a grade on, and you don't want all the other students seeing it, then you'll want to create an assignment to do that. So you go to the assignments in the class that you want to collect it in and choose New Assignment. Give it a name. You can type your directions here in the box. Go down to the bottom, give it the number of points that you want it to have. If you do assignment groups in your full list of assignments, you can choose which group you want this to go in. You can choose how you want the grade to be shown as points. And since you want them to send you a photo or a screenshot, you're going to have to make the submission type be online, and you want it to be a media recording or a file upload. That gives them that link to be able to send you something. And then fill in the rest of your details. And then come down to the bottom, select your due date. You can set the available dates if you'd like, but you don't have to set those. And then you hit save and publish. That will make it available to the students right away. Or if you just choose save, then it will save it for you, but you'll have to publish it before the students can see it. Let's look at the student perspective of uploading a photo or a screenshot using Canvas on the web. So they would go to their assignments, open the appropriate assignment. They'll see their directions at the top, and you would choose Submit Assignment. And once you've done that, the students can go to Choose File and go to the photo library, choose their photo, and they can type any comments they need in the box and hit Submit Assignment. And that will turn the photo into the teacher in their assignments. To do the same thing from the app, the student would go to the app, go to Assignments, open the correct one, see the directions on the front tab, go to the Submission tab, and be able to go in to turn in. They can do a file upload, tap on the camera or the share button, choose from library, go in and pick their picture, and then they might need to scroll over sideways, find their picture, select it, and hit submit. And then it'll show up there on this page and they'll know that it's been submitted. Back on the teacher end, this is how you would see the assignments that the students have submitted. So you could go to your assignment, the upload a photo, go over here to Speedgrader, open that up, and when it loads, the student's picture will load in here. And if you had more than one student, you can just click through your students and see each one of the students' pictures here. Give them their grade. You can type a comment, you can record a comment back to them, and then submit it, and the students will get all that information back.